The next topic is disaccharide. So let us start it with, first of all, introduction to disaccharide. They are carbohydrate which composed of two monosaccharide unit joined together by glycosidic linkage. On acid or enzymatic hydrolysis, the disaccharide yield constituent monosaccharides. If we can treat disaccharide with acid and enzyme, they can converted into their respective monosaccharides. They are crystalline in form, water soluble solid, which may be either reducing in nature such as maltose and lactose, and non-reducing in nature such as sucrose. In this chapter we can discuss some aspects of chemistry of sucrose, maltose and lactose. So first of all, start with plus sucrose. It is also called cane sugar, table sugar, and having formula C12H22 and O11. Sucrose is easily and most important disaccharide. It is widely distributed in nature in juices, seeds, fruits and flower of many plants. So let us discuss their physical and chemical properties. Sucrose is a colorless crystalline solid having melting point 553 Kelvin, which is soluble in water but practically insoluble in alcohol and ether. It is dextrorotatory and has a specific rotation plus 66.5 degree. It does not exhibit meteor rotation. So it is one of the quality of the sucrose. When it is heated above its melting point, it can lose water and give a brown mass which is called caramel, which is used for coloring confectionery and spirit. On heating still further, it gets charred, giving a smell of burnt sugar. The next property, on hydrolysis with dilute acid or with enzyme such as invertase, which is present in the yeast, sucrose yield a mixture of D plus glucose and D minus fructose in equal amount. Since fructose is more levorotatory, it will having value that is minus 92.4. Then glucose, which is dextrorotatory, having value plus 52.5 degree. On hydrolysis, the mixture which is obtained having overall levorotatory with specific rotation that is minus 39.9 degree. So on the hydrolysis, there is a change of rotation from positive value to a negative value. So this sugar is also called invertase. and this phenomena is called inversion. Then next property, on oxidation with nitric acid, sucrose will yield 6 mole of oxalic acids. With concentrated sulfuric acid, it will change with the evolution of carbon dioxide and sulfur dioxide. And the last property is that on acetylation with acetic anhydride, sucrose form octaacetate. Here it may be noted that sucrose does not act as reducing agent and does not form any cyanohydrin or oxime or oxazone like glucose and fructose. So it is all about the properties of sucrose, then structure of deep sucrose. First of all, the molecular formula. On the basis of elemental analysis and molecular weight determination studies, the molecular formula of sucrose has been found to be, it will having 12 carbon, 22 hydrogen and 11 oxygen in their molecule. Then constituent units. On hydrolysis with dilute acids or with enzyme invertase, sucrose can give a equimolar mixture of D plus glucose and D minus fructose. This reaction indicates that sucrose is made up of 1 unit of D glucose and 1 unit of D minus fructose. Then linkage of constituent units. Sucrose does not reduce Fehling solution or Tollens reagent. It does not form an oxazone and does not undergo Mutare rotations. All these observations indicate that it is a combination between glucose and fructose unit occur in such a way that hemiacetal form of both the constituent unit does not exist as such in sucrose. This can be possible only if two constituent units are joined together by glycosidic linkage between carbon 1 of glucose and carbon 2 of the fructose. The glucose unit in sucrose is a pyranose ring having 6-membered ring, while fructose unit has a furanose ring which is a 5-membered ring in the case of the sucrose. Then configurations of constituent unit and stereochemistry of glycosidic linkage. Sucrose is hydrolyzed by enzyme maltase, which can hydrolyze only alpha glucosidic linkage. This indicates an alpha conformation at the glycoside portion. Sucrose is also hydrolyzed by enzyme sucrase, which can hydrolyze beta fructofuranoside but not alpha fructofuranoside. This indicates a beta configuration at the fructoside portions. In other words, linkage between two units is alpha glucoside linkage and beta glucoside linkage. So this one is the glucose and this one is the fructose unit of the sucrose and this one is the alpha and this one is the beta glycosidic linkage. The structure of the sucrose is more cleared by the Haworth projection formula. So let us consider it. So this one is the glucose unit, which is 6-membered ring, and this one is the fructose unit, which is a 5-membered ring, and these both the unit, they are joined with C1 carbon from the glucose and C2 carbon from the fructose, and this one is the alpha glucoside linkage, and this one is the beta fructoside linkage. So it is all about the properties and structure of sucrose molecules. Then next is the maltose. It will also having similar formula like sucrose. Maltose is an important disaccharide which is present in germinating seeds, particularly in case of krill. It is formed by the partial hydrolysis of the starch either with dilute acid or with the enzyme diastase. So let us discuss their properties. It is colorless, crystalline solid having melting point 438 Kelvin, which is soluble in water but insoluble in organic solvent. It is dextrorotatory in nature and exists in two isomeric form. The first one is the alpha form and second one is the beta form, having specific rotation plus 168 degree and plus 112 degree. However, in aqueous solution, the two form exhibit mutarotation and the specific rotation at equilibrium point, that is equal to plus 136 degree. On hydrolysis with dilute acid or with enzyme maltase, it will yield 2 mole of D plus glucose, which can indicate that it is formed from the D plus glucose. It is a reducing sugar as it reduces Fehling solution and Tollens reagent. It reacts with hydroxylamine to form an oxime with this formula and with phenylhydrazine to form an oxazone with this formula. It is oxidized by bromine water to form maltodinic acids with this formula, having the same number of carbon atom as maltose. And the last property is that on acetylation with acetic anhydride, maltose give an octa acetate. So it is all about the physical and chemical property of the maltose. Then let us discuss its structure. First of all, the molecular formula, the elemental analysis and molecular weight study reveals that the maltose having 12 carbon, 22 hydrogen and 11 oxygen in their molecule. Then come to the constituent units. On hydrolysis with dilute acid or enzyme maltase, it gives two equivalent of D plus glucose. This indicates that maltose is made up of two D plus glucose unit which are joined to each other. Then linkage of constituent units, as we already discussed that maltose is a reducing disaccharide. It will reduce Fehling solution and Tollner agent. It also forms an osazone which exists in alpha and beta form and show mutarotation. It is oxidized by bromine water to give maltovionic acid, which is a mono carboxylic acid having the same number of carbon atom as that of maltose. These observations indicate that the two D plus glucose unit of maltose are linked together in such a way that one of the combining molecule still has hemiacetal form and act as a reducing unit. The linkage between two units is alpha glycosidic linkage involving hemiacetal carbon, that is carbon 1 of one unit, and an hydroxy group on carbon 4 of the other unit. So this one is the non-reducing unit, and the glycosidic linkage involve the carbon 1 of non-reducing unit and carbon 4 of reducing units. Then let us discuss its Haworth projection formula. So this one is the non-reducing unit and this one is the reducing unit. These two units are joined by this alpha glycosidic linkage involving carbon 1 of non-reducing unit and carbon 4 of reducing unit. So it is all about the properties and structure of the maltose. Then next is lactose, having formula C12H22O11. Lactose is a disaccharide and it is found in the milk of mammals. For example, cow milk, which will contain 4 to 6%, while human milk contains 5 to 8% of this sugar. It is obtained commercially as a byproduct of cheese manufactured from milk after the removal of casein from milk. So let us discuss their properties. Like maltose, lactose also exists in two forms. The alpha form, which melt at 223 degrees Celsius and has specific rotation plus 90 degree, while beta form melt at 252 degrees Celsius and has specific rotation plus 35 degree. The two form undergo mutarotation in aqueous solution to form an equilibrium mixture having specific rotation plus 55 degree. On hydrolysis with dilute acid or the enzyme emulsin, it gives equivalent amount of D plus glucose and D plus galactose. It reduces Fehling solution and Tollner agent. It also reacts with hydroxylamine to form an oxime and with phenylhydrazine to form an osazone. It is oxidized by bromine water to form a monocarboxylic acid called lactovinic acid, having the same number of carbon atom as that of lactose. Then discuss its structure. First of all, molecular formula. The elemental and molecular weight study of lactose reveal that it will having 12 carbon, 22 hydrogen and 11 oxygen in their molecules. Then constituent units on hydrolysis with acids or with enzyme, it will yield an equivalent amount of D plus glucose and D plus galactose, which will indicate that it will formed by the combination of these two above mentioned monosaccharide with the elimination of the water molecule. Then linkage of constituent unit. Lactose is a reducing sugar and react with phenylhydrazine to form oxazone. It undergo oxidation with bromine water to form lactovinic acid, which is a monocarboxylic acid having the same number of the carbon atom as the lactose. So it is clear from this observation that monosaccharide unit of lactose must linked in such a way that one of monosaccharide unit still has the hemiacetal form and act as an reducing unit. It has been found that lactose has been formed by the combination of hemiacetal linkage, that is carbon 1 of the lactose with hydroxyl group on carbon 4 of glucose by beta glycosidic linkage. So this one is the Fischer projection formula of the lactose. This one is the reducing glucose unit and this one is the non-reducing galactose unit. Involve beta glycosidic linkage between carbon 1 and carbon 4. Then Haworth projection formula of the maltose. This one is the non-reducing unit or galactose and this one is the reducing unit, that is the glucose. Involve beta glycosidic linkage between carbon 1 of galactose and carbon 4 of the glucose. So it is all about the properties of lactose and structure of the lactose. So in this portion we can discuss about the 3 disaccharide, sucrose, maltose and lactose.